Tired of digging through endless files to find that one important document? Dochub's labeling system is your secret weapon for instant organization. Let's dive into how to master Dochub's powerful labeling feature to revolutionize your document management. First, open the document you want to label. You'll find the Add Label option, usually near the document's details or within an edit menu. Click Add Label. A window will appear here. You have two choices: create a brand new label if this is a new category for your documents, or select an existing label from your predefined list. To create a new label, simply type your desired label name into the provided field. Think of clear, descriptive names that make sense for your workflow, something like client contracts, invoices, or HR policies. If you've already created labels, just start typing in the field to see suggestions, or click the drop-down to browse and select from your existing ones. Once you've chosen or created your label, click the Add or Save button. You'll immediately see the label appear connected to your document, visually categorizing it. Now for the real magic: retrieving your documents on your main Dochub dashboard or document list. Look for the filtering or sorting options. You'll see your created labels there. Click on a label, for instance, client contracts, and instantly, Dochub will display only the documents tagged with that specific label. No more endless scrolling. You can also often type a label directly into the search bar for even faster access. The power of labels lies in their flexibility. Assign multiple labels to a single document if it fits into more than one category, making your organization even more precise. By consistently using labels, you'll transform your document chaos into a streamlined, efficient system, save time, reduce frustration, and master your documents with Dochub's labeling feature.